In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Microsoft Store won't open in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is execute the Direct Store cache reset. So what we're going to do is press the Windows key and R, and then we're going to go ahead and type in the following. So we're going to delete anything else that's in there and do wsreset.exe. Go ahead and press OK, and then basically that's going to try and make Microsoft Store open up. Now, the next thing we want to do, if the Microsoft Store icon's completely missing or still won't launch, the Universal App Framework link between the Store package and Windows 11 has been ruptured. So you can force inject a new one. All you want to do is go ahead and right click on your Windows icon, then go to Terminal, but make sure it's the admin version, and then press OK whenever the thing comes up. And all you want to do is type this into it, this exact thing, or you can just go ahead and pause the video now and copy this exact thing. Once you do, go ahead and press enter. Once the green tracking bar completes its loop, restart your machine and then try and open Store again, and then that should work. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.